Place a mother-in-law's tongue plant with cloves in this location and see what happens. If you are someone who loves plants, this video is for you. In addition to learning where to place your mother-in-law's tongue, also known as sansevieria, plant to maximize its benefits, we will explore all the advantages it brings. If your goal is to open your paths toward economic prosperity and feel supported financially, this is a very positive and beneficial practice. I encourage you to try it both at home and in your business. Today, we will also focus on harnessing positive energies through cloves. Remember, cloves not only have great healing properties but also significant energetic properties, including protection. They shield us from bad intentions, witchcraft, the evil eye, toxic people, and gossip. This protection helps us prosper in all our endeavors. Before continuing, I remind you that if you are new to our channel, you can subscribe for free and activate the notification bell. Every day, I upload videos that will be very helpful to you. Unfortunately, we live in a very negative society, and sometimes that negativity clings to us. At other times, we are the cause of our own negativity through our thoughts. When our paths become blocked and things start to go wrong, it is essential to make changes in our lives and protect ourselves. The mother-in-law's tongue plant, also known as sansevieria or snake plant, is revered in various spiritual practices for its powerful protective and purifying properties. This resilient plant is believed to ward off negative energies, offering a shield against harmful intentions, witchcraft, and the evil eye. Its ability to absorb and transmute bad vibes makes it an ideal choice for both homes and businesses. Placing a sansevieria plant near entrances is thought to block unwanted energies, creating a barrier that fosters a harmonious and positive environment. Additionally, it's often used in rituals involving prosperity and abundance, with practitioners incorporating it into their affirmations and meditative practices to attract wealth and good fortune. The mother-in-law's tongue plant not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a space but also serves as a steadfast guardian of spiritual well-being. Today, I will also reveal why you should place 7 cloves in your sansevieria plant. This wonderful plant is extremely protective and has transmuting power. It shields us from negative energies. The ritual is simple. Place 7 cloves in the soil where your mother-in-law's tongue is planted. While doing this, repeat the following affirmation. I know that I am prepared to receive all the abundance that I deserve. Wealth is welcome in my life. I believe in myself and the power I have to bring miracles. I appreciate every positive change that happens in my life. After placing the cloves, cover them well with soil. I recommend positioning this plant at the main entrance of your house or business, as close as possible to where it feels best. This plant will block bad energies and consequently attract positive energy. You will inevitably begin to feel very positive changes. The power of this ritual with sansevieria is undeniable if you perform the affirmations with faith and full of energy. These affirmations will help change your mental state, opening the way for abundance, prosperity, and financial growth. Additionally, I'll teach you how to take a cleansing bath. Boil a handful of cloves in water, then add a cinnamon stick or a handful of cinnamon powder. Let it boil for 5 minutes, then rest until it reaches a comfortable temperature. Use this mixture in your bath without filtering it. Pour it over yourself from the neck down, fully intending to feel peace, harmony, and calm. Visualize all negativity leaving your life and positive things, such as money, health, and love, coming in. If you like this information, write in the comments. I appreciate every positive change that happens in my life. Thank you for your support by sharing this video with your friends and family. I send you a cordial greeting and hope you are very well. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.